Okay, for today's warm-up today, we're going to do 2 to 3 rounds for quality, starting with 30 seconds of easy jump rope practice. After that, we're going to get to 3 on each side of a hip stretch flow. You're going to take a lunge step forward into a Spider-Man. From there, you're going to reach with that same arm to the sky, straighten that leg for a little hamstring stretch, and then switch the leg. So spider person, reach for the sky, little rotation, straighten that hamstring out, get a stretch. All right, so you're gonna get 3 on each side, working back and forth between the 2 of those. If that hamstring stretch is really hard, you can just go to the knee of your back leg instead of down to the extended back leg, foot flat on the ground. 3 each side. After that, we're gonna get into 10 scapular push-ups, often called scap push-ups. From there, we're gonna be in that plank position, and you're just gonna try to let your chest drop through your shoulders and then press through the ground to round your upper back. All right, our third day of strength-based programming for this cycle is going to be a hinge-based day. 3 movements are going to be a Turkish get-up with a dumbbell or anything else you've got around, a little complex of a reverse lunge with a dumbbell into a single-legged Romanian deadlift, and then single-leg hip thrusts. These are all unilateral, or in the case of the Turkish get-ups, a sort of single-sided movement. So you'll do all on one side, and then you're gonna switch the next round. Like we've been doing, all 3 movements will be performed back-to-back, little to no rest in between, and then you will take 1 minute of rest after you finish each round. We're gonna do 6 total rounds, so you should get 3 rounds on each side. Number-wise, we're gonna start with 3 Turkish get-ups. It will add 1 each week. We are gonna start with 5 of that complex, the single-legged, or the dumbbell lunge into the single-legged Romanian deadlift. That's 10 total movements. 5 is 1 and 1 of each. And then 10, we're gonna start with, of the single-leg hip thrust. After you finish it, take that minute rest, and then you will switch sides.
What's up everybody, and happy Friday. Your workout for today is called Thrust Fall. So you can complete as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes of 40 air squats, 20 push-ups, and 10 reverse burpees. However, every 2 minutes, starting with the workout, you will complete 40 double unders. Your score for this workout is total number of reps, not including the double unders. Whew. So at 3, 2, 1, go. Complete 40 double unders. Then you'll get through as many air squats, push-ups, and reverse burpees as possible. When the 2 minute mark hits, stop what you're doing, complete 40 double unders, and then start where you left off. Let's say you're not a double under wizard and you're gonna spend most of your workout whipping yourself. Let's not do that, and we'll just change it up. So you wanna get through the double unders within 30 seconds. So pick a number that you can complete within 30 seconds or go to single unders, right? We wanna just make sure we're having a full 90 or so to get through the air squats, push-ups, and reverse burpees. Now there's a saying, do the common uncommonly well. So yes, we have air squats and push-ups, but that doesn't mean you just blow through them as quick as possible with poor form, right? So with our air squats, make sure our heels are staying on the ground, hip crease below parallel if your mobility allows, and that our spine is staying nice and neutral. We're not quasi-motoring our air squats. And we might laugh, but we do see it. So don't let that be you, and make sure we're getting our full hip extension at the top. With these push-ups, you don't want to break them up into more than 4 sets. So if you cannot do at least 4 sets of 5 push-ups, let's switch it up. Either lower the number to a more manageable number for you, or we'll take it to a bench, we'll take it to our knees. And as always, our chest hits the deck, and let's make sure we're getting that full elbow lockout at the top. With a reverse burpee, you get the best of both worlds because it is a sit-up and a burpee combined. So basically you start standing, you roll all the way back, then you come back to standing and jump and clap overhead. Don't worry, we're gonna demo it later. It will be fine. That's about it for this workout, guys. Have a good time.